Many people think Gmail is the only email account. But Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, and Hotmail are all email services. So in this video, I will show you how to create a new email account by using your mobile phone in just few minutes. And please watch until the end, because in the end of the video, I will show you with just one simple settings how you can secure your account. So let's start the process. So today I will create a Gmail account because it's free, easy to use, and works with YouTube, Play Store, Google Drive, and many other services. So first of all, you'll need to go to Play Store, and after that update your this Gmail application first. And now click here Open option. And then you need to click here your this profile icon if you already have a new email account. But if you using new phone, that time you will be see another interface, which is this one, add an email address. So just click add an email address. So right now I need to click here my profile icon. Then click here add another account, this option. Then there you can see there is Google, Outlook, Hotmail, and Flip, Yahoo, and many other email services. Okay, so just click here Google, and if you want to create another, that time you can choose Yahoo, Outlook, and Hotmail. Okay, so let me click here Google. So just give here your phone password and click here create account now. Then choose for my personal use. Then choose here your name. Okay, so let me choose my first name, which is Saif, and also add some surname because it helps you build a better email address. Okay, so I choose this one, and after that click here next option. Then give here your date of birth. Make sure your date of birth above 18 years. Otherwise, you couldn't create a Google account or email account. Okay. So now choose gender. Now click here next option. Then sometimes Google automatically suggested some email address, so you can choose from there. But if you don't get that types of suggestion, that time you can choose here your new username. Okay, so let me choose some new username. Give some unique username so that you can remember. And you can add some number if it doesn't take. So after that, let me click here next option. That username is taken, so add some another number. Then click here next option again. And you can see it's already taken. So create a strong password. So give some letters, some number, and some capital letters also, and some symbol. Okay. So let me choose my password in here. And don't give your phone number, date of birth, or your name as a password. Okay. Just give some strong password. So right now click here next option. So it's pop up save password to Google Password Manager, so you can save it if you want. So right now I need to click here save option, because whenever I forget my password, that time I can access to that password easily. So let me click here save. So review your account information. So you can see I have just created this Gmail account. So right now I need to click here next option. Then privacy and services, some terms, then click here I agree. So I just created my email account already. Okay, so let me go to that profile icon again. And you can see there is my new email account. Okay, so let me click on that one. And you are done. You have created your email account. You can use now Google Play Store, YouTube, and you can do email, everything you can do. Okay, and let me show you how can you actually secure with one settings your account. Okay, so you need to click here your profile icon again. Then go to manage your Google account. And after that, you can go to personal information. Then go to phone number and add your phone number in here so that whenever you forget your password, that time you can easily reset that password with this phone number. So that's it, guys. So this is it. So thank you so much for watching this video. And if you face any kind of problem, then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you.